Well, good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Jadhav has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, what is human life value? How do we calculate this? In fact, many people don't know that there is something called human life value. The way you have value for your car, bike, laptop, every damn thing you use, there is a value for you too. And it is important. I'll tell you why it is important. The day you disappear, the day you die, there will be two losses. One is financial loss and the other one is emotional loss. The financial loss is the income which you may earn in the future will be a loss to your family, right? So assume, you die at the age of 40, which means 40 to 60, whatever you would have earned from your business or salary, that will be an income loss to your family. And there is this emotional loss that I lost my father, my son, my husband. That emotional loss can't be compensated by anyone, any insurance company. But this financial loss can be compensated through insurance. That's why we have insurance. But then even before you go for insurance, you have to decide what is your human life value. How do we determine that? It is basically by looking into your income. The normal thumb rule is that if you are aged below 40, right? If you're aged below 40, you should have 20 times of your income as your term insurance coverage, which means if your income is about 10 lakh, you should have 2 crore rupee term insurance coverage. If you're aged between 40 to 50, then you should have term insurance coverage equal to 15 times of your income. And if you're aged between 50 to 60, then you should have term insurance coverage equals to about 10 times of your annual income. And then again, in education matters. Someone who has studied in a normal college and IIT, there is a difference, right? That's how the income, the projection is being done. And then occupation, like, if you're someone who is into some risky job, like something to do with your, traveling and things like that, then probably the insurance coverage may not be huge because insurance companies may consider your profile as a risky profile. But if you're someone who is into a good job profile, someone who has got to grow his income faster than others, then probably he'll have to have a higher coverage. And then again, the age, if you're early, again, as I said, that will also change. Then other liabilities, if you have too much of liabilities, even that has to be added to this. Plus the dependency also, like, in case if because of your death tomorrow, your business is going to be affected and all that, then there's something called key man insurance, even that will come in. So you need to calculate that. Based on these aspects, your human life value will be calculated. In fact, on Financial Freedom app, apart from human life value, we've also calculated something called human love value. What is human love value? See, now, why are you working today? You want to have a great future for your son, daughter, your wife, your husband, or your father, mother, right? So which means tomorrow, if you're not there, do you want your love to die with you? No, right? You want your love to continue even after your death. So how do you ensure your love is intact? That is when the human love value will come into picture. So if you want to learn how to calculate human life value and human love value, and if you want to learn about various other things like loans, personal finance in detail, or building businesses, or to become successful in farming, or to build your career, or to learn some life skills, I want you to download Financial Freedom app from Play Store, App Store, and this has got about 60 courses on all these topics, and each of these courses will help you build your life. Plus, you have an amazing offer because you are a viewer of Republic TV. If you enter the referral code Republic TV, one single word Republic TV, in the Financial Freedom app, you will get flat 50% discount on the subscription amount. Please make use of this referral code today. It's Republic TV, one single word. You'll get 50% discount. Make use of this. And if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I'll answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.